Hello everyone. Today I show you how to solve SQL exercises in Hackerrank name type of triangle. Content of question is like this. Write a query identifying the type of each record in the triangles table using its three side lengths. Output one of the following statements for each record in the table. Equilateral. It's a triangle with three sides of equal length. Isosceles. It's a triangle with two sides of equal length. Scalene. It's a triangle with three sides of differing lengths. Not a triangle. The given values of A, B, and C don't form a triangle. I use case when for representing every type of triangle. In first case I write not a triangle condition. If the sum of the two sides of the triangle smaller than other side, then it is not a triangle. I write this condition for every sides A, B and C sides. For equilateral triangle, each sides of triangle has to equal each other. For isosceles triangle with two sides of equal length, I write A equals B, B equals C and A equals C condition for sides. For scalene triangle I write A equals B, B equals C and C equals a condition. That's all. Run code and submit it.